Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2019 Honda CR-V EXL. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, you got a backup camera, we do get a roof spoiler, rear wiper, these nice rear lights, which is pretty cool, splash guards, we got some silver accents on this vehicle with heated door mirrors, turn light indicator mirrors. We do get remote start with this vehicle, which is perfect for those cold winter months. As you can see, it is snowing. We do get the license plate bracket and that nice Honda grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, but it doesn't, doesn't want to work, but whatevs. But you can hit that button as well, which will open automatically, allowing you to see that we have tons of back storage here. Hooks and doodads, 12 volt, can collapse your last row by just pulling on those levers. You get a light here as well. More hooks and doodads on the bottom there. And we do get more storage underneath your spare tire. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space. We got heated rear seats. Little storage here, wood paneling on the door. We got some storage, 12 volts, or not 12 volts, USBs. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, memory seating for up to 2 drivers, powered windows, powered mirrors, lane centering, liftgate, collision, traction, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 124,926 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel that is also heated, lane centering, cruise control, toggle for your screen, volume, phone, voice, all that jazz. And looking here, we do get your digital speedometer, you got your tire pressure warning, fuel economy, navigation, trip, maintenance, music, phone, and all that fun stuff. Got tons of storage on the side here with a 12 volt. More storage in here with another 12 volt USBs. And this does close. Got that center console as well with even more storage. Gear select, eco mode, parking brake, brake hold. You got dual climate up front with heated front seats. Storage below. We got the wood paneling along the door and dash. We do get our features for our little sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a garage door transmitter. Hazards are just above your infotainment system, and we're going to go home real quick, where we have audio, phones, information, settings, Honda Link, smartphone, all that jazz. You got a climate button here as well, so you can fiddle with your climates, or down here as well. Heated mirrors as well, which is pretty handy. You got your audio as well, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, you got your iPod, Bluetooth, all that jazz. We're going to go back real quick, where we do get phone, smartphone, and you do get little instrument panel, and you can customize these pages however you please. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UB09617A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.